this thing choke, and oh, I put all the fuel I had in the tank, and look, we have a bar of fuel on here, and it's not blinking fuel. So I guess the fuel sensing unit is working. Headlamp, it's got an LED light, so I'm not even sure if I can turn that off. Battery, we don't have anything going into the battery, because that would tell you how good the battery is. I don't have that hooked up. And brake, I'm not sure. I think that means the lever here, and there's a sensor in here. Did I ever hook that back up? I don't know where that hooks up. I'll have to figure that out. Maybe we can get that working too. But anyway, we're gonna put on the other master cylinder from the parts plate. So I gave it choke, and it fired without even, I just touched the start button, which, yeah, we might do something about that. I don't even know what that is. So anyway, she fired right up, and she's running great. And we have fuel. So anyway, hit that twice, turn that off, and everything else is good on this bike. So we're gonna have to get her to, take her out. Did you hear that? She fired right up. Now we have the shadow out here. This guy fires right up. I got everything out. So we're putting good batteries on, and everybody's starting happily. Check this out. She has a new Pirate battery in her. And I really think the issue with this thing draining was just because it had that bad battery. For some reason, that battery does not hold a good charge. So this is probably just fine. Let all these guys run. And then over here we have a pair of Sabers, 83 V45 750. So this thing fires right up. I'm not sure what battery I put in this. I think I put a Pirate battery in this one too. I guess this is a Pirate battery ad today. Let's see how she does. Fires right up, no concerns. We'll have to figure out which way is choke. I think choke is up. Yeah, it is. All right, so here is our fuel level. We have a lot of fuel in here, so we'll have to ride this thing out. Remember the V45. Now the V65 we have ridden, have been riding. And let's see how the Pirate battery, this Pirate battery is old. It's been in here a while, but unless you let it sit for too long, she's always willing to fire. There you go. V65 84, 1100, and over there is an 83 V45 750. So both amazing bikes in their own right. I would say this one's more of a sport, more of a long distance touring machine. Full power, crazy, get up and go. It's fun on the longer stretches. That guy, it still doesn't handle great. It feels a little taller, which I guess it's not. If you look at them side by side. But a little zippier. I don't know, they're both zippy. They're both fun. So anyway, thought I'd show you the 4 runners and riders. Once we get, this one's a runner and rider. Now that this one has a good battery in it, it's a runner and rider. Turn down the neighborhood, turn down the... This one is a runner and rider once I get it figured out. This one might be ready to go with runner and rider. This is the only one I have running. Oh, now we're low on fuel. Used up enough fuel that it wasn't happy. Nothing's dripping, so yeah, I put all the fuel I had in around here. This is the only one. Oh, this one could overheat. I forgot because the fan doesn't come on automatically. It's fine. All right, quiet again. So once I get the front brakes done on this one, the calipers, she'll be ready. We'll get her back out on the road and hopefully have no issues like the last time. This one, I think we're good to go. This one's not liquid cooled, so I was worried about that one actually overheating. So it's pretty cool today. I think we're gonna go and ride this thing. So anyway, thanks for checking out my runners and riders with me. And we should be on the road today. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Someday we'll get to that lot. I don't know, I can't ride 4 bikes at once, so I might have to sell something. You guys tell me what I should sell, what I should keep. Obviously haven't ridden this yet, and we got to get a title for this pair. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Get out and ride.